Today I'm glad to introduce a Powerwall lithium battery. It is a wall-mounted design. First, there is a multifunction intelligent LED and LCD display on the front of the battery. The voltage, capacity, cycles, and working current of the battery can be checked at any time. There are handles at the bottom and side of the battery, which is more convenient to move and install. There are two M8 positive and negative terminals, RS-232 communication for monitoring the battery status, the RS-485 and CAN suitable for any kind of off-grid and hybrid inverter. Finally, we will introduce installation steps to how to install Powerwall on the wall. Firstly, the mounting position of the bracket must be parallel to the ground. We use 2 mm high quality steel plate bracket to ensure the Powerwall fixing on the wall more stable and safely, which is very strong and firm to hold the Powerwall on the wall. This Powerwall battery has super long lifetime, more than 6,000 cycles at 80% DoD and supports more than 16 pieces in parallel for more energy storage. The above is an introduction to our new designed wall-mounted battery. Welcome to follow us and share more information about lithium batteries for you.